Plymouth is a port city and unitary authority in southwest England. It is located on the south coast of Devon, approximately 36 miles southwest of Exeter and 193 miles southwest of London. Plymouth's early history extends to the Bronze Age when a first settlement emerged at Mountbatten. This settlement continued as a trading post for the Roman Empire, until it was surpassed by the more prosperous village of Sutton founded in the 9th century, now called Plymouth. In 1620, the Pilgrim Fathers departed Plymouth for the New World and established Plymouth Colony, the second English settlement in what is now the United States of America. During the English Civil War, the town was held by the parliamentarians and was besieged between 1642 and 1646. Sir Francis Drake was an English explorer, sea captain, privateer, naval officer, and politician. Drake is best known for his circumnavigation of the world in a single expedition, from 1577 to 1580. This included his incursion into the Pacific Ocean, until then an area of exclusive Spanish interest, and his claim to New Albion for England, an area in what is now the U.S. state of California. Drake's exploits made him a hero to the English, but his privateering led the Spanish to brand him a pirate, known to them as El Drac. King Philip II of Spain allegedly offered a reward of 20,000 ducats for his capture or death, equivalent to around £7,207,135 and 56 pence, or $8,816,416 and 86 cents, in 2022. The name Hoe derives from Old English and, appropriately enough, means high ground. Today Plymouth Hoe is an open green space overlooking the Sound and is used to host major events. The park as we see it today was largely developed in the 1870s for the Victorians to enjoy, but it has long been a place of entertainment. Bull baiting took place here until 1815 and, of course, bulls have been played here for centuries. The Hoe enjoys a strategic position overlooking Plymouth Sound. In Tudor times, a fortress was built here to defend the coastline from attack. This was replaced by the Royal Citadel in the late 17th century. Still occupied by the military today, the citadel has been in constant use since it was built in 1665. On arrival at the Hoe, the visitor's attention is immediately taken by the iconic Smeaton's Tower lighthouse, originally built on the Eddystone Reef in 1759. When the reef on which it was built began to break up in the early 1880s, it was decided to take it down and remove it, stone by stone, to its current position. Set in a beautiful location overlooking the sea at the tip of Plymouth Hoe and voted one of the top 10 best outdoor pools in Europe, Lighthouse Lido is an attraction not to be missed. Built in 1935, Lighthouse is a slice of the quintessential British seaside from a bygone era. The Lido is a wonderful example of Art Deco style and is grade 2 listed. As well as the pool itself, the facility also features a sun deck, which is one of the best places in Plymouth to soak up the sun. Open during the summer months, this fantastic outdoor saltwater swimming pool Brittany Ferries is the trading name of the French shipping company, Britannia Angleterre Lawn, founded in 1973 by Alexis Gourvenec, that operates a fleet of ferries and cruise ferries between France and the United Kingdom, Ireland, and Spain, and between Spain and Ireland and the United Kingdom. Plymouth Pier facilities included shops, a clock tower and a landing stage. In 1891, a 2,000-seat pavilion was added. It was used for concert parties, roller skating, band concerts, dancing, boxing and wrestling, and was headquarters to several local organizations. In later years, the pier struggled financially.
Take smoke, I'm a poker holder, you choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back.
The historic harbour area of Plymouth. Pause at the Mayflower Steps, from where the Pilgrim Fathers departed for the New World in 1620, before visiting the Mayflower Museum just across the road to discover their story in greater detail. SailGP, the world's most competitive racing on water, will return to Britain's ocean city, Plymouth, on 30 to the 31st of July 2022 for the Great Britain Sail Grand Prix.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up. Don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this,
Plymouth Yacht Haven is a 5-gold anchor marina in Plymouth. Devon lies in the shelter of Clovelly Bay, offering comprehensive facilities and exceptional 24-hour service, just minutes from the open water of Plymouth Sound. The marina has 450 berths, all serviced with water, electricity and free Wi-Fi. Accessible throughout the tide, the marina welcomes visitors and annual berth holders. The marina also has the most comprehensive range of boatyard services in Devon, including a 75-ton hoist, indoor and outdoor storage and boat cleaning services. The Devon Marina is the proud hosts of the prestigious Rolex Fastnet race. In 2015, the marina also opened their brand new luxury facilities including hotel-quality washrooms and modern laundry facilities.